Hey, in this video, we'll talk about the Dirty Finance token, ticker Dirty, and how to buy it with lowest fees. Possible volume is at 137 grand, and I'll show you how to buy it. But before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice. I'm just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion, but you should definitely like the video for the algorithm and subscribe if you're new. Something really cool if you subscribe is upload over 30 of these videos every single day with the hottest cryptocurrencies, and I've partnered up with Bybit to bring you a very special promotion. The first 30 people that sign up using my link in the description down below and deposit just $100 will get a $25 bonus. So that's a 25% return instantly that you can get. Check the link in the description down below to sign up. How do you buy Dirty Finance? You need two things. First, you need a wallet. Personally, I use the MetaMask wallet. So go to metamask.io, click on download now, and edit as a Google Chrome extension, or just download it as an app on your phone. You also need to get some some Ethereum to buy Ethereum with the lowest fees. Use the link in the description down below. So I'm sign up for Binance, buy Ethereum there, transfer it to MetaMask, then go to coinmarketcap.com. In the search bar, you want to type in Dirty Finance, open this up, add it to your MetaMask wallet, but also copy it. Go to Uniswap, connect your MetaMask wallet here, have Ethereum at the top, and at the bottom, you want to paste the contract, import it, and there we go. Now you can buy it. If the video helped you out, give me a like. Want to see you next one.